Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to lock your TikTok app using a code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, you need to get an app called AppLock. So to do so, head over to your Play Store and search for AppLocker. Once you've searched for AppLocker, press search. And now I highly recommend using AppLock by Cure Apps. So go ahead and click into that, one of the 10 million downloads. So click on install, give it a few moments to download and install onto your Android phone. Alright, once that's downloaded and installed, go ahead and click on open. Click on allow, and then click on start. And then you've got a few different options here. You can unlock with finger, use a PIN code, or set a pattern. But for this demonstration, I'm going to set a PIN code. Choose any PIN code. Then click on the tick to confirm, and then re-enter it. Alright, the PIN is now set. You can add a recovery email, so if you ever forget your PIN code, you can reset it via the email. So go ahead and add your email, or you can just click on finish, either or. And now you want to grant permissions to turn on draw over other apps permissions from settings. So click on grant permission. Click on AppLock, toggle that to on, and go back. And there's one more permission you need to grant, so click on grant permission, and then toggle AppLock on again. So yeah, two permissions you need to turn on, toggle onto. Alright, now you want to go and find your TikTok app on this list here. So either scroll down or search for it manually using a magnifying glass. So I'm going to do that, TikTok. So there's TikTok. And now to enable it, click on the lock button, and when it turns blue, that means it's turned on. So if I go back, try to log on to TikTok, I need a PIN code to continue, so I'll go ahead and add that PIN code in, and like so. So yeah, that's it guys, how to put a PIN code on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.